So if you have a PlayStation, the $1,000,000 question is that how you can close the games in a PlayStation. So I have actually purchased a PlayStation, but the problem is I am not able to close the games. And if you are not able to close the games, then definitely if you are starting another game one after another, the resources of the PlayStation which the game takes will be doubled obviously, and the PlayStation can heat up. So definitely it is important to close a game. And if you are playing any game on the PlayStation and switching between another game, the definite answer should be closing the game first which you are playing. So obviously in this video we will see one of the really good hacks how to close a game in PlayStation. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are interested, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So this is my PlayStation interface and you can see the games which I have installed here. So the most important thing is whenever you will be playing any game, like if I am just playing the Final Fantasy 16, it will start, but you can see once the game starts there is no option to close the game. And obviously if you are not closing the game and starting another game by just pressing the home button, then obviously there will be a problem in the resource allocation, because two games will be trying to play, and again there can be some frame drops and also the game will not run properly. You can see if I go to home also the game is still running in the background. So to counter this, if I just click on continue also, you will be able to see that the game will be opening, and even if I am just going to the main menu, there is no option to close the game. So this is a big problem with the PlayStation, and this is the problem which I faced in the beginning also. So if you want to close games, you just need to make sure you are pressing the home button. So in the controller you will be seeing this home button or the PlayStation button. You have to press this, and once you press this you will be getting this option which is the switcher option. You have to click on the switcher option by just clicking on this button. Obviously you will be getting the other option like switching the games to other apps, and obviously here you need to just make sure you are clicking on this option which is this button. So you have to click on this and you will be getting this option which is go to app hub or anything else. So make sure selecting the game and clicking on this option. So I will click on this and you can see that there will be option to close the game. So this is how you need to close any games in PS5, and make sure you are using this properly, because closing game is very important to do in the PS5 in order to get the games running properly. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.